All right, meteorologist Dean Davison, the Weather Pros, live. Weatherblogs.com. Time for a update on the forecast over the next few days, and you can see we're going to have some scattered showers coming from a stalled out front. You're actually going to, believe it or not, see something weird, which is going to be parts of Florence trying to return into the area. A little bit of rain from that, but as you see, rain tries to come across. This will pick up on the Saturday time frame. This is right around Saturday at 8 p.m. Saturday evening is going to get a little wet. And as you see, this front will stall, come in Sunday. Give you more wet weather before it lifts up. Looks like we will have some heavier rainfall also here towards the Delaware Valley as we get towards Tuesday. And if we go a little further south, you can see this is remnants of what was Florence is going to try to filter some storms, rain in also, and other showers and thunderstorms by the time we get towards Friday. So it'll be wet and it'll be cool. We're getting to a pattern where we're going to start trying to see some actual fall-like weather. So this is a good sign for fall. We'll go back this all the way up, and you'll see we get the warm air. It'll finally, when this front gets through, move through and cool down, and we'll be looking at some pretty nice weather coming up. So that's what we're looking at for the next few days. Temperature-wise, we'll pull that up for you. Actually, we'll pull up another model. Go to the Euro. I like always looking at different models just to see where we're at. And this is the 0Z model. The 12Z model for Euro. As you see, the cool air will finally battle in by the time we get to the 1st of October. But during that time, we'll have warm air, but not extremely hot air. You can see we're going to have times where we're going to have some warmer temperatures and times we're going to have some cooler temperatures, but nothing crazy. No big tropical systems coming into the area, and definitely staying a little bit cooler than before. We'll keep you updated. We'll also watch some thunderstorms tomorrow in the Roanoke, Lynchburg area, 460 corridor, as that storminess comes in. We'll keep you updated. Meteorologist Dean Davison, the Weather Pros. Thanks for watching.